Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a basic AI voice agent, add a file-based knowledge base, and automate the end call report using n8n with Google Sheets or Airtable, but you can use whichever CRM you use the most. All templates and resources are linked in the description below, so let's get started. First, we need to create a clear and effective prompt for our AI voice agent, which of course is the most important thing here. And here we have it. Role: you are Nova, a helpful customer support agent. You guide customers to find information and answer common questions about our courses and subscriptions. Core responsibilities: answer questions about our online courses and memberships. Help customers find the right sections on our website. Guide users to where they can access their course materials. Share pricing and availability of courses. Nothing else interests you. Meaning that she just needs to know this information what I gave her, you know. She doesn't have to have any general knowledge whatsoever. Then context: you work for SkillsFare, an online learning platform. You only provide information and answer FAQs. All purchases, cancellations, and account changes must be done on the website. You don't process payments or make change to accounts. Then we have here specifics. Always direct customers to the website for account actions. Keep answers short and easy to understand. Say website link like this: skillsfair.com/courses, not www. You need to instruction your agent exactly how he will answer or proceed. Conversation approach: greet the customer warmly and professionally. Listen carefully to their questions. Do not repeat after customer. Meaning that sometimes agent tells repeats the same question that customer gave. So it's not good customer experience, So that's why I wrote here, do not repeat after customer. Best practices: never handle cancellations, refunds, or account changes. Direct to website. Don't promise future course availability. Be clear about what the customer needs to themselves. Stay positive and helpful. So these are examples on end call. End call function: if the customer say something like okay, goodbye, no, see you, cool, thanks, that's it, bye, then agent will automatically end the call, So this is of course good function. Ask if they need help with anything. If not, close the call politely using the end call function. Then notes: say prices in natural language, $19.99. You see, sometimes because of this line, my AI agent could hallucinate in future, because he will take this pricing from this prompt, even though in file we have one price, same, okay. But I can imagine that he can hallucinate because of this. Okay, don't say assist, use natural phrases instead. I really hate this assist word. You don't have any general knowledge except if defined here or via file. Always answer correctly, make sure you have the right info before answering. So, I'm learning this from guys named Henrik and Yanis. You can see them, they have a school group. You can check them out, they are really good guys. And I took this from them, and of course I adjusted it for my use case, So try not to copy. Really always try to change everything so that you learn something from it. Okay, let's go through settings. Hi, thank you for calling SkillsFair. This is Noah. How are you? This is our first message. Provider is OpenAI for now. GPT-4o is the model. This is the file, which I made like just one A4 paper with frequently asked questions. Just, this is simple AI voice agent, really the simplest of them all, And you can download I always download it in TXT format, but I saw people in PDF and so on, or docx. For this, for files, you go in Vapi, in files, you download the document here, and then just take it and put it into files. So after that, you go into your assistant, SkillSphere, files, and then you just choose. This is the one. Temperature, I always try to put lower, so 0.4 or 0.5 tokens. That doesn't matter. That's the max number of tokens that the assistant will be allowed to generate in each turn of the conversation, which more than you allow here, more he will talk. So detect emotion, always on. Transcriber, the newest Nova 3 from DeepGram, and I saw from 11 Labs they have Scribe. It's good too. So this is, you can just test it out, you know, and see what works best for you. Then we have voice. I always choose 11 Labs for now. For now, even though I see people use, you have new Vapi or Cartesia. Well, few of those are good here, but I always choose 11 Labs for now. I need to test this more. For model, I choose Turbo V2.5. Additional configuration, I never do too much here, you know, because I found it really, default is the best. I think I need to test more, you know, so. Then you go in functions. We don't have tools for this one. Enable end call function. This is the, that's why I'm doing this video, to show you this. Enable end call function, which wasn't enabled. Whoa. Publish. Interesting. This is interesting. This is interesting. Okay. Then we go into advanced audio recording on, so you can get what you two were talking about. This, you can copy this one, but you need to learn specifically every one of this. What does it do, you know? Like this one, on number seconds. When you put here more, when a person is telling numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, AI will wait. When you say 1, AI will wait 0.5 seconds before it talks. That's why, because you maybe are telling the phone number, he will think that you will say something more, you know, 0, 5, 6, and so on. So you really need to check every single one of these to learn the best. Okay, so here, server URL. For this purpose, I used n8n just to create a webhook and put all the information into Google Sheets or Airtable or any CRM, you know, Trello, I don't know what you guys use. So I just copy this first. I go to Vapi, I copy assistant ID, copy here, go directly into n8n webhook and copy into the path. Then I take and I put HTTP method into post, not get. If here is get, this won't function. You need post. So then I copy this and put it into Vapi, advanced Vapi server URL here. And guys, I will deactivate this so that you won't take it for granted. Okay, then here you will see a lot more of this, but you just need transcript. So the transcript go directly into Google Sheet, you know. And server messages, end of call report. These are all the information you get after, and I will pin this data here from before. All the information. This is all information you get because of end call function, you know. So when you, for example, let's put it into Airtable. Let's test for a flow. You see, again, this Airtable one I got from Henrik and Yanis. So here you can see call ID, ended reason, assistant and the call, transcript, the whole transcript, summary. This is what is like fascinating. I like this so much. There are so many use cases because of this. You know, the caller inquired about Skillfair, an online learning platform offering various courses. Nova explained that many courses provide certificates upon completion and that monthly membership costs $29.99, giving access to all courses. The caller thanked Nova for the helpful information. It's amazing, you know. Duration, how long did the conversation last, and timestamp and storage. Here you can listen. Again, same as in Google Sheets. So that's why I'm telling you. You can use every CRM there. Go high level. I don't know what are you using, you know. So, end call message. Thank you for calling Skillsfair, wishing you a fantastic day. She will always tell the same when ending the call. Always this. Thank you for calling Skillsfair, wishing you a fantastic day. So, analysis, I don't use much. I need to test this one out. That's it for now. That's it for now. The most simple, and you go into ChatGPT for file, you generate, like, you tell them what Skillsphere is, what are you wanting from it, and you're getting frequently asked questions. This is what I got. So, and it's best for you to write like this, you know, so AI can really know how to say it. And $29.99. This is the best results I got from this, but if any one of you guys know better, please comment below. Okay, so that's it. I will show you now how to create this. This I showed you. Okay, I put here production URL because, well, of course, without production URL you can't activate the scenario and it won't function, you know. If you have on test URL, it won't function. So production URL, pin data at Google Sheets, and append row in sheet. Append or update, but for this one we need append. Then connection, you connect to it. You choose your document, which is, in my case, is this one. And sheet 1. And then you need to connect all of this one. I do this like this, you know, I copy this, come here, call, and then I put. Okay, so you see, call ID, this, and you connect them. See, then you go ended reason, same, I just copy this into here, go like this, ended reason, you see. Transcript, again, same thing. Transcript, summary, but you need to, like, I always try to get the first one, you know. If it's under analysis, summary, I will try to take summary from which stands alone, if you get what I mean. Duration, minutes, duration minutes. It's enough. Timestamp. Okay, for timestamp, I went into ChatGPT, as you see, and timestamp here now. What? This one. Timestamp, you see, and because when you take timestamp in here, you will see what I mean. See timestamp. You see, I put it in here, and the result you get is 1742. You need to format this so you can read it normally, like date and time, you know. So I went into ChatGPT and typed in, I have this JavaScript and please format it so that I can read it, or something like that. And I got this after a few tries, 5 or 6 tries. I got this, and now it works, it functions great. Then you choose recording URL, same thing. Recording URL here. And this is all you have to. I will test for close. Just that you see that it works. And you see, it put it here. So for now, that's it. So guys, again, this one is very simple. First, you need to create really specific prompt. Really, prompt is really important. Like, for me, it's the most important thing. You know, prompt, specific prompt, like the shortest, but more specific, the better. You know. Then you create knowledge base, a file, simple one for this use case, but you can go, I don't know, 20 sites, 50 sites. You set all up correctly. This here is important. Transcriber, voice, functions, end call, advanced, that's it. And when you have this, you go to n8n, you create webhook, you paste your webhook into Vapi, into advanced, Vapi. You get all of the information into your Google Sheets or your Airtable. And that's all, guys, from me. So guys, let's try this out. Talk with assistant. We will see what happens.
Hi, thank you for calling SkillSphere. This is Nova. How are you?
Hey Nova, I'm great. Can you tell me more about SkillSphere?
Sure. SkillSphere is an online learning platform that offers a wide variety of courses across different subjects. Whether you're looking to learn a new skill, improve your career prospects, or just explore a new hobby, we have courses that can help you achieve your goals. You can browse our courses and find more information by visiting skillsphere.com/courses. Is there something specific you're interested in?
Yeah, if you offer certificates.
Yes, many of our courses offer certificates upon completion. You can check the specific course details on our
And
website.
how much is your monthly membership?
Our monthly membership is $29.99 per month. This gives you access to all of our courses, including those that offer certificates.
Thank you,
can also
you
choose
were really helpful. Have a nice day, yeah?
Thank you for calling SkillSphere. Wishing you a fantastic day.
So, that's it, and she ended call by herself. Let's see what, as you see here, webhook goes directly to Google Sheets, and here we have it. Here we have the transcript. She did everything correctly, so she did follow all the instructions, so I'm very happy with her. And here you can directly see.
Hi, thank you for calling SkillSphere. This is Nova. How are you?
Hey Nova, I'm great. Can you tell me more about SkillSphere?
Sure, SkillSphere is an online learning.
So that's it, guys. You've now built an AI voice agent added a file knowledge base and automate a technical report using n8n, Airtable, and Google Sheets. If you found this useful, check the description for templates and resources. If you know something better, comment below and see you in the next video. Bye guys. Take care.